not to work on this idea of perfection, of thinking that everything has to be perfect, of recording a video over and over and over again until it's perfect, of writing a blog post over and over again until it's perfect. What you need to do is you need to care less about your work and get it to a level of being good and then let it go. Now, once you think about this for a moment, I can try and record a perfect video today, which could take me hours as I re-record it over and over and over again, or I could record a video once, get it as good as I can, and just get it out there. Now, you can be guaranteed that the video that I do to a good level is probably going to perform maybe 75% as well as a perfect video. So is it really worth me spending all the extra time trying to get something perfect when it's probably only going to increase my viewers by a little bit, my comments, and what happens from that? No, it's not worth all the extra effort of getting it perfect. And I know for a fact, as you're watching this video, you don't care how many times I record this video. I could have recorded this video once. I could have done it 10,000 times. You don't care. You're just watching me in this content. So that's what I want you to realize, is you need to care less about your content. Now, you should care enough that you actually do the best content that you can, but get it up to a good enough level and then let it go. Forget about it. Let it go off on its little journey. Because the amount of effort you are going to put in to get it from good to perfect, you're going to find most times isn't worth the hassle.